Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video of the best outdoor flat top grill. Watch until the end to find out our best recommendation from the list. Our list begins with Blackstone Flat Top Grill. If you've been dreaming of making hash browns, scrambled eggs, and fried rice like the pros, you should invest in a flat top grill. Blackstone is renowned for its restaurant quality grills. This 28-inch model is affordable and does not disappoint in versatility and quality. With this flat top grill's battery-powered igniter, you'll grill within minutes. Also, it's easy to use, sturdy, and convenient for outdoor use. It's easy to assemble and disassemble. Camp Luxe Outdoor Grill. If you're looking for an outdoor gas grill with a flat top that's easy to clean, you should invest in the Camp Luxe Propane Grill. All you need to clean this grill is soap, water, paper towels, and a scraper after use. Also, it's easy to move, and it features a removable grill top and wheels, making it easy to take wherever you want. Lastly, it ignites quickly and cooks evenly. These features combined make it perfect as an outdoor camping griddle. Enjoy whipped-up cheese sandwiches, eggs, bacon, pancakes, or grilled hamburgers while camping with friends out in the woods. Camp Luxe Outdoor Gas Griddle Grill. This is the go-to option if you want an outdoor flat-top grill that's easy to set up. This stylish flat-top grill is easy to clean and perfect for picnics, outdoor family gatherings, and camping trips. Also, it features electric ignition, so you'll be grilling within minutes. It heats even thanks to the stainless steel, I-type burner underneath. Last, it's easy to move because it features wheels, removable table legs, and flexible casters. Royal Gourmet PD1301S. Are you looking for a pocket-friendly outdoor flat-top grill? If yes, invest in this grill. It's affordable and convenient. The grill is easy to carry from one place to another, making it a perfect choice for small outdoor events such as tailgating and camping. It features an electric igniter, so you don't have to worry if you forget to carry a matchbox. It's also easy to clean, and you can detach the griddle top for washing after use. Which one is the best? In this comparison, the Blackstone Flat Top Grill is the best outdoor flat top grill. It has an extra large cooking surface. And rather than cooking one egg at a time, the grill's large cooking surface allows you to cook for several people at once. This makes the entire cooking process much easier and faster. Thanks for watching.